everybody. Welcome to Looking at the Markets with David Modell. Going to talk about the Cradle Pattern today. All right. Before I get started, if you'd like help with trading, charting patterns, putting together a trading plan or investing plan, you can email me for that. I do offer coaching. My email address for the coaching is davidmodell@gmail.com. So let's get into the Cradle Pattern here. So you see this arrow here. So what this arrow means, I want you to pretend in your mind right now that there's a downtrend of candles. Okay, so candlesticks going down, 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 right? And then you have this big, long-bodied red or black candle. Okay, and so this is a downtrend leading into a big-bodied red or black candle. That's the first part of the cradle pattern. Okay, but then what happens? Does it keep going down and down and down? No. Then it goes sideways for a while. All right. How many candlesticks does it go sideways? Well, it's not a definite number. I mean, it might be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever it is. Okay. And so these candlesticks are sideways, and they're not up here. They're not way down here. They're about the place where this one closed. All right. So they're near the bottom of that big, long red or black candle. And by the way, this candle, it can have wicks. All right. This example is more of a Marubozu candle with no wicks, but this one can have wicks. That's fine. It just has to have a long red or black body. All right, so around down here, around near the bottom of this candle, it starts to go sideways, and these are small candles going sideways. These are not big, giant candles, okay? I mean, they can have longish wicks, but the bodies are mostly small here. And so these are indecision candles. The market doesn't know which way to take it for a little while. You even see some, you know these, right? These are doji candles, where the body of the candle is pretty flat. Or you might see some spinning top candles where the body is not completely flat, but it's small, right? I don't see any of those here, but you get the idea, right? Or you might see some, just smallish body candles like this one and this one, okay? Doesn't really matter what the color is of the candles. It's just that they're small, they're around where the bottom of this one was, and they're going sideways for a while. And then you have the reversal, okay? You have the reversal candle, which is going to be white or green, and it's going to have a big body. Just like this one had a big body, this one also should have a big body, a long body, but in the opposite direction. And so ultimately, the cradle pattern is a reversal pattern, and it kind of resembles a cradle, I suppose, right? But it's ultimately a reversal pattern. And so what should you expect after this candle here with the big long green body? And this can have wicks, by the way. Doesn't have to be a Marubozu with no wicks. All right. What do market technicians expect after this one? Well, they expect it, as you can see from this arrow, they expect the next candles to go up. It does not always work that way. Okay, this does not work 100% of the time. Do not expect it to work every time. But this is what market technicians might expect after this, because the indecision is over. First, the bleeding, the downward price action is over, and then the sideways indecision price action is over, and now it's starting to look really bullish. And you might expect the next candles to go up. All right. So let's take a look at a couple of examples here. Here's one. Notice that it's not an exact science, okay? It's not looking perfect like the textbook example looks all perfect, right? Well, in real life, it's not necessarily always like that. But still, you get the idea here. You have a long-bodied red candle after a downtrend. You got to have that downtrend first for this to be the cradle pattern. Downtrend for a while, and then a big red ugly looking, scary looking, long-bodied red candle. But then the sideways, small bodies on these candles, right? The wicks are not that small, but the bodies are small, and it's close to the bottom of this red candle. Okay, it's not up here, it's not down here. And then sideways, sideways, and then big green candle. And what happened afterwards? Well, it worked out as expected. Big uptrend after that. All right, and here's another example. Can you spot it? Yeah, here it is. Okay, downtrend, and then big long-bodied red candle goes sideways-ish. Again, it's not perfect textbook like this all the time. It's not perfectly sideways necessarily. All right, but small-bodied candles here. Not a lot of decisive action here, and then boom, right? Big long-bodied green candle, and then what happened after that? Trends upward for sure. All right, does not always happen like that. Don't expect it to be perfect. So that's the cradle pattern. Okay, so study it, learn it, know it. You won't see it all the time. You won't see it very often, but when you do see it, it could possibly oftentimes be powerful for you. Okay, so hope this was helpful to you, the cradle pattern. And if you want more help with stock charts or fundamentals and just putting together a trading or investing plan, because you really should have one, then you can contact me by email for coaching at davidmodell@gmail.com. And hey, if you liked this video, you want to show your appreciation, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube right now. And subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done that already. And hit that notification bell as well. That way you can be notified whenever I put out a new video like this one. Hey, thanks a lot for watching and listening. I'll talk to you again soon.